Hi friends, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun, easy, and inexpensive Halloween candlestick centerpiece DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need a candlestick holder, and I thrifted mine, so don't forget to check your thrift stores and yard sales. And I just took some foam and cut it to fit the top. You're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow, and I found this disco jack-o'-lantern for $5 at Dollar General. You can use a regular pumpkin if you want to and make it for fall. Or I also found this cute option. It's a little ghost from Dollar General for $3. And you're also going to need some floral picks, and these Halloween floral picks came from Walmart. I had out several different options of floral picks, but I did not use them all, but I also put out some berry picks and some purple and black flowers too, just to have options. Now I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue and just going to hot glue the round piece of foam on top of the candlestick holder and let it have time to dry. Next, I'm taking my flowers or my floral picks and I'm just cutting them into shorter pieces because I am going to put them all around the outer edge. And here I'm taking my disco pumpkin from Dollar General, just adding Gorilla Glue hot glue to the bottom, going to place it in the center of the foam and let it have time to sit and dry. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. Now I'm ready to tie a simple bow, so I just let out a short tail. Now I'm going to make a loop, pinch it together and hold it in my left hand. Go to the other side, let out some more ribbon, make another loop on the right side, pinch it together in my left hand, let out another tail, and I did dovetail the ends off camera. Now I'm going to take a zip tie the center of the bow nice and tight. And this is just a simple bow, but I didn't want it to be too big. To attach my bow to the centerpiece, I just took a floral pick, and it has an end that sticks easy into the foam, and then it has a piece of wire attached to it. So I'm taking the wire, wrapping it around the center of my bow several times, and then I'm going to take that little stick that's attached to the wire and push it into the foam, and that way my bow stays in place. Now you could add a little hot glue onto the end of each pick before you push them into the foam if you would like. Now here's the fun part. We're going to take our flowers. I'm starting with a big pretty orange flower for the center, just went below my bow. Now I'm going on the left side of the bow and adding a black flower with the gold glitter, one on the left. Then I'm going to do the same on the right. I usually do a pattern when I make centerpieces and floral arrangements. I'm just trying here to find one with a shorter stem. You may have to go back and trim them a little shorter. So we've got the orange flower in the center, a black flower on the left, one on the right, and then now we're going just above the bow and putting another pretty black flower, and just kind of fluff and shape your loops and make sure your tails are hanging in the right direction. And then this is really simple. I took 2 picks to make this centerpiece, and it's beautiful from every side. So now I'm putting the pretty orange flower in the back center, and then I am just going to fill in with these black flowers with the pretty gold on them. And then I also thought it needed a few more, so I had some roses that had the bright purple feathers that I added a few of them from Dollar Tree too. But just notice I'm doing a pattern. I just keep it very simple. A week or so ago, I made one of these arrangements for fall with a regular pumpkin that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I had a request to make a Halloween one. So if you haven't seen the fall candlestick arrangement, I will link it in the description box because it's very simple. It's different too, but they're both very easy to make. And I'm just taking these picks, pushing the leaves forward and making sure I have the feather on it because this just kind of adds movement and a whimsical look to your centerpiece. So I am just doing a pattern with these two, and these are just a fun, easy element to add. I love adding feathers to arrangements. And then once I have all of my feathers and roses added, it is finished and ready to place on an entry table, a coffee table, on your mantle, a bookshelf, dining room table, wherever you would like. So I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel already. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thanks so much for watching.